Discover the ultimate tool for professional welding with this versatile hot air welding gun nozzle set, featuring both 20mm and 40mm flat nozzles, plus a 40mm silicone pressure roller. Crafted for precision and durability, these nozzles deliver consistent heat distribution, while the ergonomic silicone roller ensures smooth, seamless finishes on various materials. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional welders alike. Achieving flawless results has never been easier. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert tools and exclusive deals. Key specifications include 20 and 40mm flat nozzles, plus a 40mm silicone roller, compatible with standard welding guns.